Yes, Liam. What are you trying to tell us? Where are you going? Where are you going now? Yes. Yes, baby Liam. Are you watching the football game? What's inside there, Liam? Are you supposed to be going in there? I don't know if you're supposed to do that.
No, Liam. No.
Where's baby Liam? Where's Liam? There's Liam. Yes. I see you now. Where's Liam? Where's Liam? There's Liam. Yes.
You say here.
Where's Liam? Where's Liam? Where did Liam go? There's Liam. Yes.